حرف التاء the letter تاء تا فتحة تا والكسر تي والضم تو. Here we have the letter ta with the three different vowels. The letter ta with the vowel فتحة and the letter ta with the vowel كسرة. The letter ta with the vowel ضمة. The mistakes when pronouncing the letter ta with the vowel فتحة is to make the vowel heavy like this, ta, or light like this, te, and the right pronunciation is ta. With the vowel kasra is to don't complete the kasra like this, te, and the right pronunciation is ti. With the vowel dhamma is to don't complete the dhamma like this, to, or like this, tu. Another mistake with this letter is to give a lot of hams, which is whisper. True, this letter has hams, but don't give it more than its need. The mistakes are like this, ta, ti, tu. So the right pronunciation is ta, ti, tu. والفتحتان تن والكسرتان تن والضمتان تن. Here we have the letter ta with the double vowels. The letter ta with a double vowel فتحة, the letter ta with a double vowel كسرة, and the letter ta with a double vowel ضمة. The mistakes when pronouncing the letter ta with the double vowels is to give a lot of time to the noon at the end of pronunciation, because the double vowel is tanween, and the tanween is a noon pronounced and not written. So the mistakes is when pronouncing the letter ta like this, tan, tin, tun. Another mistake is to give hams when pronouncing this letter with a double vowel like this, tan, tin, tun. Another mistake is to give qalqala at the end of pronunciation like this, tan, tina, tuna. So the right pronunciation is tan, tin, tun. والشدة والفتح الت والشدة والكسر التي والشدة والضم الت. Here we have the letter ta with shadda and the vowel فتحة, and here the letter ta with shadda and the vowel kasra, and here the letter ta with shadda and the vowel dhamma. The mistakes when pronouncing the letter ta with shadda with the three different vowels is to push with the letter like this, at-ta, at-ti, at-tu, or to give hams like this, at-ta, at-ti, at-tu. So the right pronunciation is at-ta, at-ti, at-tu. والشدة والفتحتان التن والشدة والكسرتان التن والشدة والضمتان التن. Here we have the letter ta with shadda and the three different double vowels. Here the letter ta with shadda and the double vowel fatha, and here we have the letter ta with shadda and the double vowel kasra, and here the letter ta with shadda and the double vowel dhamma. The mistake when pronouncing the letter ta with shadda and the double vowels is to separate the double vowels like this by pushing with letter ta, at-tan, at-tin, at-tun, or to give hams like this, at-tan, at-tin, at-tun. So the right pronunciation is أتن أتن أتن. والفتحة والمد تا والكسرة والمد تي والضمة والمد تو. Here we have the letter ta with the lengthening of the vowel fatha, and here the letter ta with the lengthening of the vowel kasra, and here the letter ta with the lengthening of the vowel dhamma. The mistake when pronouncing the letter ta with lengthening of the fatha is to make the lengthening heavy like this, ta, or light like this, te. The mistake when pronouncing the letter ta with the vowel dhamma is to make the lengthening like this, to or tu. Another mistake is to don't give the right time to the lengthening like this, ta, ti, tu. So the right pronunciation is ta, ti, tu. والشدة والفتح وامدد التا والشدة والكسر وامدد التي والشدة والضم وامدد التو. Here we have the letter ta with shadda and the lengthening of the vowel fatha, and here the letter ta with shadda and the lengthening of the vowel kasra, and here the letter ta with shadda and the lengthening of the vowel dhamma. The mistake when pronouncing the letter ta with shadda and the lengthening is to push with the letter like this, at-ta, at-ti, at-tu. And another mistake is to give hems, at-ta, at-ti, at-tu. So the right pronunciation is at-ta, at-ti, التو. والفتحة والياء تي والفتحة والواو تو. Here we have the letter ta with the lean letters. Here the letter ta with the lean letter ya, and here the letter ta with the lean letter waw. The mistake when pronouncing the letter ta with the lean letters is to give lots of time at the end of pronunciation like this, tay, taw, and the right pronunciation is tay, taw. والفتح والسكون أت والكسر والسكون إت والضم والسكون أت. Here we have the letter ta with sukun preceded with a letter with a vowel fatha, and here we have the letter ta with sukun and preceded with a letter with a vowel kasra, and here we have the letter ta with sukun and preceded with a letter with a vowel dhamma. The mistake when pronouncing the letter ta with sukun is to give a lot of hems like this, at, it, ut. Another mistake is to close the articulation point, which is makhraj, like this, at, it, ut. So the right pronunciation is at, it, ut. تا فتحة تا والكسر تي والضم تو. Here we have the letter ta, which is called ha التأنيث, the ha female. It is added at the end of a female name, and when we have to stop with this word, we stop with ha with sukun. That's why it is called ha التأنيث. Here we have the letter ta with the vowel fatha, and here the letter ta with the vowel كسرة, and here the letter ta with the vowel ضمة. والفتحتان تن والكسرتان تن والضمتان تن. Here we have the letter ta with the double vowel فتحة, and here the letter ta with the double vowel كسرة, and here the letter ta with the double vowel ضمة.